The funniest part is I haven't been able to empower any of them because I don't have a single scene with them.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they had to empower themselves.
Me neither, yeah.
We were all empowering ourselves.
आत्मनिर्भर बनने का
कि आप शायद स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर ना करें, बट कहीं ना कहीं आपके जो किरदार होते हैं और स्टोरी टेलिंग में और वो प्रोसेस में दे सपोर्ट ईच अदर. यानी अगर मिक्की मेहता ने ये नहीं किया होता जो वो कर रहा है
जी
तो शायद पी सुभाष का किरदार इतना
तो फिल्म ही नहीं बनती.
तो शायद फिल्म ही नहीं बनती.
you know you've been on the receiving end of power abuse and आपने किसी और के साथ हिसाब बराबर किया हो in a very savage and subtle way. कभी हुआ ऐसा interesting experience?
But now that I know how to handle it, I try and help also.
At the receiving front of the wrong use of power, when you are a storyteller, I feel the misuse of the power of green lighting something or saying yes or no to an actor being a part of a certain film.
I believe that actually if you closely अगर हम उसको bifurcate या उसको बिल्कुल उस पे ground level पे लेके आए तो I mean it's a very common phenomena कि power gets abused in a lot of ways, subtle ways and very obvious ways.
मेरे लिए तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज लोग जो है जो यंगस्टर्स और जो जितने आज की युवा पीढ़ी और नए एक्टर की दौड़ आ रही है तो आज अगर वो कुछ कर लें कुछ हटके तो लगता है कि उसका इतना ढिंडोरा पीटते हैं.
Hi, I'm Rashmi Desai.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं नील नितिन मुकेश.
Hi everyone, मैं हूँ कीर्ति कुल्हारी
और आप हमें देख रहे हैं
शुभजीत के YouTube चैनल पर.
Like, share and subscribe right now. Ladies and gentlemen, 24 January is the date. Z5 है प्लेटफॉर्म का नाम. हर कहीं पे अगर हिसाब बराबर हो या नहीं हो, यहाँ पे एंटरटेनमेंट का जो हिसाब है वो जरूर बराबर होने वाले. We've got the fantastic trio of रश्मि देसाई, नील नितिन मुकेश and कीर्ति कुल्हारी over here. अगर इतने कमाल के लोग हैं कैसे नहीं होगा हिसाब बराबर. That is what it is. जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे प्लीज और जोर से ताली बजाएंगे इनके लिए प्लीज. क्या बात है. First of all, the first question would be कि there is so much of variety of work in all of your work portfolios, right? If I talk about that, you're putting all that experience together for the project to ensure that the project is coming out really interesting. Your character has grey shades. Your character is also something very interesting and dynamic. आपका भी police officer को role. I really want to understand how have all of you empowered each other to kind of get the best out of yourselves, because I'm sure you all are putting that effort for your own character. But how did you kind of motivate or help each other to get the best out of each other?
The funniest part is I haven't been able to empower any of them because I don't have a single scene with them.
Yeah.
Oh.
So they had to empower themselves.
Me neither, yeah.
We were all empowering ourselves.
आत्मनिर्भर बनने का.
This is the first shot that I'm giving with them together.
Yeah.
But that's the beauty of filmmaking and storytelling कि आप शायद स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर ना करें बट कहीं ना कहीं आपके जो किरदार होते हैं और स्टोरी टेलिंग में और वो प्रोसेस में दे सपोर्ट ईच अदर. यानी अगर मिक्की मेहता ने ये नहीं किया होता जो वो कर रहा है
जी
तो शायद पी सुभाष का किरदार इतना
तो फिल्म ही नहीं बनती.
तो शायद फिल्म ही नहीं बनती है ना. तो आई गेस इन अ वे वन इज सबकॉन्शियसली वेरी सपोर्टिव of each other and keeping mind that अच्छा इनका ये किरदार होगा, ये रोल, ये अदाकारी ये कर रही हैं, इनका ये रोल है, इस तरीके से ये निभाने वाली हैं. और जाहिर सी बात है आपके पास एक डायरेक्टर है जो इन सब चीज़ों को साथ में जोड़ के आगे चलते हैं. जी
when we talk about entertainment industry ना, यहाँ पे there's power and जहाँ पे भी power है, power का abuse भी होता है, right? कहीं पे. I want to understand कभी ऐसा मौका आप लोग के respective जिंदगी में रहा है where say for example you've been on the receiving end of power abuse and आपने किसी और के साथ हिसाब बराबर किया हो in a very savage and subtle way. कभी हुआ ऐसा interesting experience?
आप शुरू कीजिए.
I think at a very young age I got a lot of success. That is also a power. So I didn't know how to utilize it and maintain. So I've learned everything in a very interesting way. But now that I know how to handle it, I try and help also.
क्या बात है. So for you?
For me, many a times actually I've been at the receiving front of the wrong use of power. When especially when you are a storyteller, I feel the misuse of the power of green lighting something or saying yes or no to an actor being a part of a certain film, or if you have a certain vision of how you want to write and tell your story, but you're being overruled by a few other judgments of maybe people who don't have the knowledge of filmmaking, but are wanting to arm twist you on that front because they have the power and they want to load the film to make it into a project and not into a film. I've gone through that process so many times from the very start of my career, many times. So sometimes वो होता है, बहुत बार तो of course ऐसा हुआ भी है कि आप रिजेक्ट हुए जाते हैं और फिर आप एक फिल्म आती है, आप वो सक्सेस हो जाती है और फिर वही लोग फिर वापस आपके साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, फिर वो भी तो हुआ है हिसाब बराबर वहाँ पे.
Absolutely. Wow, they say that Friday to Friday रिश्ते बदलते for a reason, right?
बिल्कुल.
In your experience, do you have anything to share?
I think I believe that actually if you closely अगर हम उसको bifurcate या उसको बिल्कुल उस पे ground level पे लेके आए तो I mean it's a very common phenomena कि power gets abused in a lot of ways, subtle ways and very obvious ways, all around you in your day-to-day life. So in my case, I mean particularly I don't यार मैं ना इन चीज़ों का थोड़ा हिसाब नहीं रखती हूँ. Really.
That let go.
हाँ, because I think there's no point in life is a very big settler. Like life सारे हिसाब बराबर कर देता है. If you are doing the right thing and you are on the right track, your intentions are right, you don't need to go out of your way to settle scores with anybody. Karma absolutely, yaar. So similarly, I mean what he said, as an actor, obviously decisions remain with a lot of people in positions of power, and I'm sure they use it to the best of their ability and sometimes also misuse it, So, but I don't really keep track of all this, and I think I'm too old for this shit. So I think now I'm like, मैं अपना देखती हूँ, आप
You're only getting younger, of course, in terms of the way you're looking and also with your body of work. Of course, I'm sure about that. मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए कि if I bring that common dot to all your professional careers, I see this risk-taking ability in all of your work profile. आपके करियर पे भी मैं देखता हूँ, आपके करियर पे भी मैं देखता हूँ, आपके करियर में तो मैं एकदम beginning से देखता हूँ offbeat kind of stuff you do, and even in your case the kind of projects, if I talk about Hindu Sarkar, so many other projects, right? क्या experience के साथ साथ risk-taking ability जो होता है एक actor का, वो over a period of time बढ़ता है? Do you relate with that statement?
मेरे लिए तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि आज लोग जो है, जो यंगस्टर्स और जो जितने आज की युवा पीढ़ी और नए एक्टर की दौड़ आ रही है, तो आज अगर वो कुछ कर लें, कुछ हटके, तो लगता है कि उसका इतना ढिंडोरा पीटते हैं. तो समटाइम्स आई सी सिट बैक एंड आई से बीन देयर डन दैट, आई मीन फ्रॉम द वेरी स्टार्ट ऑफ माई करियर वर्क विद सो मेनी नेशनल अवार्ड विनिंग डायरेक्टर्स, मल्टीपल varied kind of roles, films. Johnny Gaddar was the beginning of my career. I've done films like Saath Khoon Maaf, David, Wazir, Jail, worked with David, with Bijoy, so many films. So what happens is, I think for me, I didn't have a choice, bhai. Where I came from, there was a big question mark in people's head that क्या मुकेश जी का पोता, नितिन मुकेश जी का बेटा एक्टर बन सकता है, ये गायक क्यों नहीं बन रहा? तो मैं उस दौर से भी गुजरा हूँ कि जहाँ लोग काम नहीं देना चाह रहे थे क्योंकि दे डिडंट हैव दैट फेथ इन मी एज एन एक्टर. तो मेरे पास चॉइस नहीं थी बट टू प्रूव दैट हाँ भाई, मैं यहाँ बतौर एक एक्टर की हैसियत से ही आ रहा हूँ और मेरा पूरा अटेंशन वही है. नहीं यार, जस्ट बिकॉज यू आर गुड लुकिंग तुझे एक्टर बनना है, ये बहुत सारी ऐसे बातें हुआ करती थी. सो आई थिंक जब अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है तो यू हैव टू मेक द राइट डिसीजन. और जब जॉनी गद्दार ऑफ़र हुई थी उस समय साथ ही साथ उसी दिन उसी प्रोड्यूसर से आई वॉज ऑफर्ड अ लव स्टोरी ऑल्सो. और हालांकि उस साल बहुत बड़े, और वो दौर था लव स्टोरीज़ की जहाँ बड़े लॉन्चेस हुआ करते थे लव स्टोरीज से. तो मैंने एक रात भर ये सोच के गुजारी कि ये लव स्टोरी बनेगी, बहुत प्यारी फिल्म है, बड़े अच्छे लोग हैं इस फिल्म के साथ अटैच्ड, बट मुझे एक मौका मिल रहा है लाइफ में. अगर मैंने ये खुदा ना खास्ता उस पैमाने पे अगर नहीं बनी तो शायद मुझे आगे काम मिले ना मिले पता नहीं, बट ये फिल्म अगर कर लूँ जॉनी गद्दार, कम से कम इससे मैं अपने ऑडियंस को और अपने लोगों को और जिनके दिमाग में ये शक है कि नील एक्ट कर पाएगा कि नहीं, उनके मुंह तो बंद कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं यार ये फिल्म से ये बंदा एक्ट तो कर सकता है, चाहे वो ensemble कास्ट हो या जो भी हो. तो आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी रिस्की स्टार्ट. Not youngsters would never make a debut like that, but I think God was kind enough to put that sense in me, and I understood that, and I chose Johnny Gaddar to start with.
क्या बात है. In your case, that very interesting risk-taking ability, which you're very happy about.
Yeah, I think risk will also create more possibilities, and I believe that way. Risk हर चीज़ में ही होता है और होना भी चाहिए, because when you're doing something new and you're not sure about it, and you become very overconfident, you can't deliver it. When I was listening, sir, it was haunting me back. There's like risk is something, that is the reason we are here today. I've seen doing her list of project is so beautiful and interesting. Everything is different. Every time I've seen her in different avatar. As an actor, it's something I feel it's a need to do something better than the last time, and karke bhul jao. This is what I believe, and that is also a risk.
And in your case, ma'am?
Yeah, I mean, yes, for consciously, unconsciously, subconsciously, whatever. I think as I went along, हमेशा at the back of my head रहता था कि जो कर चुकी हूँ वो नहीं करना है मुझे, कुछ नया करना है, you know. And I must say that today I am more courageous than I was even, you know, when I started off and through my journey, because now अब बहुत चीज़ें समझ भी आ गई हैं. But the beauty is, अब सब, पहले समझ नहीं आती थी चीज़ें, तब भी मैं कर रही थी जो कर रही थी. अब सब कुछ समझ में आता है, and I feel even more empowered कि यार अब तो चीज़ें समझ भी आती है ना कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, how to maneuver through this, इसके PR कैसे करना है, ये क्या करना है, वो क्या करना है. So I'm more empowered from every side now to even take bigger risks.
Right.
And I think that's where I am today, that I want to just keep doing my thing यार, and मुझे उसी में मज़ा आता है. So it's not even like I'm doing it to prove something to anybody or whatever. That's genuinely what I enjoy doing.
And that's the beauty, I think.
Yeah, exactly.
And I also feel that actors, you know, in general are very insecure people. You know, all of us want the best role, want the best screen time, etc. But most actors, and I think maybe I can see it for the three of us, we are not insecure. At least I can vouch that for her, for me, of course for Rashmi also. You know, we are not insecure about screen time, about the length of the role. We don't get into that. At least when Johnny Gaddar happened, like I said, it was an ensemble film. It wasn't just me, my launch pad, none of that. It was a storytelling from not just one man's point of view, but multiple tracks, and each one had their independent space. So when you have that beginning, and when you start with that security as an actor, I think all these questions just, you know, then you enjoy the ride of you know, creating.
It's like journey पे निकल पड़ो, enjoy करो, that is what it is. Last question before I wrap up, we have limited time over here. वो ये है कि आपके respective जिंदगी में कोई ऐसा interesting करो दिल की मर्जी moment रहा है where, you know, the odds have been against you, you know, all sorts of suggestions and advices have been given, but you had so much of conviction in your decision कि यार ये करूँगा तो ये ही सही रहेगा, and eventually it proved to be right. कोई instance that you all can point out?
मैं if you allow me again to start, because it just hit me and we were talking about it. मेरी वही जॉनी गद्दार वापस मैं वहीं पे जा रहा हूँ,
Fortunately sir, of course.
But पहली फिल्म अटकी हुई थी 1.5 साल, और फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स थे बहुत बुरी तरीके से, और आप समझ सकते हैं कि इतने मुश्किलों से एक पहली बात तो डेब्यू फिल्म आई, तो बहुत सारे घर में बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हुआ करते थे. यू नो, मेरे पिताजी, मेरी माँ कभी कभार डाउट करते थे कि अच्छा तू क्यों नहीं आगे क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा, 1.5 साल हो गए, ये फिल्म अटकी है. और वहाँ उस समय एक इंडस्ट्री का एक नॉर्म था कि अगर आपकी फिल्म 3-4-6 महीने अटकी है तो गई काम से. ये एक परसेप्शन
सोच ही लेते थे.
तो हालांकि मैं अपनी एक सीडी हमने बनाई थी, और मैं हर प्रोड्यूसर के पास जिनको मैं जानता था अपने पापा के ज़रिए जाता था, और फिल्म का एक वो दिखाता कि थोड़े ही फाइनेंसेस की ज़रूरत थी, और दिखाता कि ये फिल्म क्या आप इसको कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं.
So you literally went producer hunting?
Every single producer possible. And the only thing I would get to hear is, यार ये फिल्म को डस्टबिन में डाल के जला दे, ये फिल्म नहीं आएगी, और आएगी तो फ्लॉप होने वाली है. But somewhere in my gut instinct was not just me, I think it was my entire team. My guru, Sriram Raghavan, Pooja Ladha Surti, entire cast and crew, Sanjay Rautre, the producer of the film. So we all were so sure that जो हम बना रहे हैं वो हम मेहनत से बना रहे हैं और हमारा दिल सही जगह पे था और अच्छी फिल्म बनी भी थी. It was just a matter of a couple of days more of shoot and finally 1.5 साल बाद हमें एक मौका मिला और we had Ad Labs take over. Manmohan sir came and saw the film and he loved the film and he said कि ये फिल्म तो मैं complete करूँगा और rest is history. And finally when my father saw the film in the theater, he just came up to me in the interval. He was crying. He hugged me, and he says that today is a day where a father says that he respects his son. And I think that was the day I vindicated my honor. So for me, that was a big moment. Yeah.
So inspiring. Last two of your instances in terms of your Karo Dil Ki Marzi moment before we wrap up.
Rashmi, you want to go first or should I go first?
Sorry, what do you have? What do I have to do?
Your Karo Dil Ki
Marzi moment.
Please go ahead.
मैं तुम सोच लो थोड़ा सा.
नहीं, मैं थोड़ा zoned out हो गई उनकी बात सुन के. Sorry.
So I think for me, one of these moments was when I decided to adopt a dog. Obviously I live alone, and then the responsibility of having a pet, especially dog, is very, very is too much. It's like having a child, a baby who never grows up, right? So it's a lifelong commitment. And I remember my family around me, and everybody was like, no, you should not be doing this, because we have another dog with them and they know the drill, right? So everyone is like telling me that the kind of lifestyle you have, the schedules you have, तुम नहीं कर पाओगी. It's too much of a thing to do. And I still went ahead and adopted one, and now I have two actually, because I adopted another one last year. So I think that was really something that I just wanted to do, and I'm so glad that it's been 2.5 years of having both of them, and by God's grace, आज तक उनको किसी और के घर पे छोड़ने की नौबत नहीं आई है. So it's Hope and Spirit.
Hope and Spirit.
Oh wow, interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, lovely names.
Your story, and then we can conclude the conversation.
I think ऐसे बहुत सारे moments आए हैं. One of them what she shared with you, मेरी भी pet के साथ same हुआ था. मम्मी ने बोला मेरे पास अपने 2 काफ़ी है, तू ये कहाँ से ले आई? तो मैंने बोला नहीं चाहिए, मतलब चाहिए. फिर एक बार I think that was my biggest learning lesson also in life. एक project मुझे छोड़ देना था, मेरा दिल नहीं मान रहा था. तो मुझे सब ऐसे सिखा रहे थे कि this is good, that is good, name is good, finance is good, and position is good, this, that. और मैं इतनी परेशान और fed up हो चुकी थी. I didn't know what to do. मैं immediately मेरी next day अपनी टिकट निकाली एंड किसी को बिना बताए मैंने ट्रैवल करके अपने आप को अनअवेलेबल कर दिया था. हाँ, तो उस टाइम पे तो मुझे लगा सुनो तो अपने दिल की, but when I got back then I had to face the consequences. But today I feel that all my decisions that I've taken in life, I don't regret of anyone and anything that I've done. मैंने गलत किया या सही किया, I think that situation मैंने जो लिया step, that was the best decision that I could have done. तो I'm always happy, but ये थोड़ा extreme level वाला बहुत हो जाता है मेरी life में.
क्या बात है. I think interesting stories indeed, and we would love to hear more अगर time permit करता. But as of now, let's just hope that इनके ज़िंदगी में जो positivity का हिसाब है वो हमेशा रहे in exactly this way. And हिसाब बराबर please देखो Z5 में 24 January onwards, very very important. जैसा कि मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड फैमिली जिसके साथ भी देखना है देखो, बस enjoy करो, that is what it is. And talking about enjoyment and love, I have some gift hampers for all of you. So can I please have the gift hampers over here quickly?
हमें 2 दिन में पहला गिफ्ट मिल रहा है.
नहीं मैं प्यार बांटता हूँ तो मैं हमेशा ये एक चीज करता हूँ. Thank you so much. This one is for you.
Thank you so much.
This one is for you.
Thank you, Mike.
And this one is for you. My pleasure, and thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless, take care, stay safe, thank you, and give them all the love. That's a wrap on the Sunny G Show. This is your host Shubhajit with the one and only interesting cast of Hisab Barabar. See you all very soon. Thank you so much.
Thank you.